I'll give a quick update after a few months, and now let's check what do we got on the mileage. And a couple of thousand miles, maybe 1,500 miles. No major issues, everything's running pretty good. The only thing I do have is this lock cheapo popper I got has failed again, but I'm not too worried about it. And the air conditioner does seem to have a leak. No code, so that's good. But I'm unable to find anywhere obvious that there's anything wet. There's only one thing that I've seen so far. Get these caps off. You hear that? Every time I take this cap off, it spits at me, and it shouldn't be doing that. And I think that's the Schrader valves down in there. It'll run for about 6 weeks on a charge, and then it's got to have another can added to it. I see no leaks anywhere else in this entire system. So I tried to order some Schrader valves, but these are really large compared to the ones that I got in. So I loosened these up and re-snugged them, and it didn't seem to really do anything. So I'm going to hook up my gauges and see where we're at, see if I can just add another can, get it back working for the next couple of weeks while I think about it, and maybe have to retrofit those Schrader valves. Right now with the car off, they're showing balanced at a little over 100. It's okay, so I mean the whole system's equalized, which makes sense. So we can turn the car on, see what we got. If I remember the key. Okay. It's wide open. Yeah, we're a little low. So, let's crack the top on this new can. Would have been better with a tripod. There we go. Feeding some in. See it going in through the sight glass. Oop, wrong way, dummy. Okay. High on the bottom end. See if we're making some coolant on the inside. Quite as cool as I'd like. condenser is turning. Side and a little low on the high side. That may bode to be a compressor issue. Oh, we're getting some cooling now though, so that's good. Alright, front and rear are cooling again, which is good. Yeah, we're a little low on the high side, high on the low side and a little low on the high side for what we've got, considering the temperature out. Alright, that's a can. So, compressor may be getting a little weak. Major issues. Let's see what we got from a temperature perspective. Yeah, she's cooling again. So that's something I'm going to have to twiddle with a little bit as we go, is how to make sure that, or how to find that leak finally and solve it. And maybe do a little troubleshooting on how efficient that compressor actually is for what it's doing, because this, I think this should not be this high. This should be able to suck that down a little bit more, considering we're only getting this. You know, if I was running this high, I would expect this to be very high. So that's a little unique. I'm gonna go check something. Yeah, so in the grand scheme of things, it's gonna work for now. But I have a feeling that I'm going to have to put a compressor in it at some point. And I still have my vacuum pump and everything else, but it's cooling pretty well now. So I'm pretty happy with that. And that should hold us for a little while until I can get some more work done. But overall, she's running like a top. It's given us no serious issues. Everything's working good. And I am still, given what I have spent on this thing, very, very happy with it. So, quick update on the Copart Expedition.